Hello everyone, in this video we are going to look into how to create a 3D model from a Google Earth video using a photogrammetry software. So the software we are using is Pix4D. So what you have to do first is click on new project and name your project. Then the next thing we have to do is create a location for the file. Then click next. Here you can see the different options we can add. So we have add images, add video. So we are adding our video we created from Google Earth, and then a question asks where how many frames we have to export per second. So we can extract different type frames. So we are extracting right now somewhere we can extract 15 frames. So the more the frames, the more accurate that's gonna be. So Pix4D will start extracting each frame from the video. So this will take some time. So it depends on the length of the video and the number of frames you're trying to extract. But the more the frames, the more accurate the model. So all the frames have been extracted, and now let's click next. So after clicking next, a dialog box appears. Just click OK. Then it will show some image properties, which doesn't matter to us because normally it's for drawn images, so that's why. So just click next and click next. So here there are like different processing option templates. We have 3D maps, 3D model, rapid models, etc. So each configuration has different output, reliability and processing time. So choose the appropriate processing template according to your model. So we'll choose one of the models from the standard option and click finish. So here you can see the space where it's going to generate. So click start to activate the processing. So click start. So this is going to take a lot of time, so it will take at least a half an hour to create a decent model output. So this is another model I've created using the same methods from Google Maps. So this is how the model is going to end up. So these are right now in type points. So you can see the different layers. So if we click on point clouds, the model will be converted into point clouds, and it will be much more clear or accurate. And the next step is to create triangle meshes. So if you click on triangle meshes, it will actually start creating meshes to from the point clouds to create a complete meshed 3D model. So which will be much more like how we viewed the Google Earth 3D model. So we have got a pretty much like at least like a 60% accurate model. So it all depends on the video length, the frames, and the processing options. Now in the processing options we have the different options to export. So if we go to 2-point cloud mesh, we have different export option, PLY, DX, FOBJ, and we can use these files to load it into any 3D software. Thanks for watching the video.